How to create reels on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of app tutorial. If you're new to Facebook Reels, I'm going to show you the exact process on how you can successfully create your own Facebook Reel. Facebook Reels are short form video content similar to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Reels are a great way of creating engagement on your Facebook profile. So to create Reels, you can just tap on the plus icon that you see on the top, or in some cases you should have an option of create reels somewhere around here, or if you don't see that option, you can tap on your profile on the top left. Here just tap on the reels option and you'll have an option of creating a new reel if you have not created any. For now I'm going to tap on the plus icon on the top. Once you tap on the plus, by default the post will be selected. You just need to tap on the reel option on the bottom. Once you select the reel, either you can take a video straight away or you can also upload it from your gallery. So just scroll down and pick the video that you want to upload as a reel. Now once you selected the video, on the right side you can see a couple of options that you can add into this reel. The first is the audio option. Tap on the audio option and tap on add music. This way you'll be able to add in music from the Facebook library. So just tap on any music and the music will be added. Once you add it in the music, you can also add in text, effects and stickers to your Facebook reel. So just tap on each of them and you can choose from different effects, different stickers and other things. Once you manage all the settings, you can tap on next on the bottom right, and you can now add in captions to your reels. You can also add in hashtags to increase the reach of your reels. Now before you post this reel, make sure that the public option is selected. So just tap on this arrow and make sure that it is selected to public if you want to increase the reach of your reels. Once that is done, you can now just tap on share reel, and within a few seconds your reel will be successfully posted. Once the reel is posted, it would be visible on the reel section right here. So that was a real quick and easy video on how to create reels on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to it, make sure that you comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.